individual day. Work will be the order of the day, so don't think about social activity. You can attend all those tasks that you just haven't been able to get around to lately. Start the day early and work as late as possible, keeping yourself to a tight schedule. You will have all the ambition and strength you need to do things that are usually put off because of a lack of interest. However, many of these duties are necessary, and since you will have to do them eventually, get at them now. All your efforts will enhance your future. Any work on an organizational basis or that concerns groups or businesses should be successful today, including signing contracts or partnership deals. An intellectual influence is in attendance and will aid you in such duties. The home, too, comes in for a strong vibration on a 4-day, so homeowners will have many domestic chores they can attend to. Together, a couple can discuss and lay plans for the future of their children, perhaps decide on a trust fund, school preparations, savings, buildings, or moving. Anything that requires strength of mind and careful planning would find success today, and it would be wise to take advantage of this power. A trip to the dentist or the doctor for a general checkup would also be well advised. These are chores we often hate to do and therefore put off, much to our detriment. Make up your mind that today is the day and get the whole family off en masse to their respective doctors. If this is not convenient, at least make appointments for the earliest date you can manage. Health is something one must not neglect. As long as there is no pain, it is too easy to ignore necessary checkups that might uncover a problem of which you are unaware. Check through your wardrobe and attend to the buttons that must be replaced, the tears to be mended, the cleaning and pressing. Get at the garage or basement, straighten things up. How about your books or budget? Check your checkbook for mistakes and reorganizing. Your household accounts, too, should come in for scrutiny. Have you been spending too much? If so, today is a good day to go through your accounts carefully to weed out all the unnecessary expenditures. Point them out to the family in a practical way, and they will surely assist you in your reorganization. Mismanagement or lack of concern could throw your whole cycle into economic chaos. Spend money wisely if you must spend it at all. Be economical and count each dollar twice before making a decision to buy something. Save the luxuries for another day.